What's going on, guys? It's Ravindra from FocusUs, and today we are back with yet another laptop review. And this time around we are going to review this Lenovo Legion Y730. So let's get started. Lenovo Legion Y730 is very clean and simple for a gaming laptop. There is no aggressive color going on here like other gaming laptop. Overall, it's very elegant. It has got aluminum dark grey chassis, but the back and bottom half is made of polycarbonate. There is also a plastic Legion logo at the side. The O of Legion has Y-shaped RGB lighting, which is pretty cool. Also, the vents on the side has some RGB. On the back side, we have a huge ventilation for airflow, and the laptop weighs around 2.2 kilograms with 14.4 by 10.2 by 1 inches dimension, which is surprisingly smaller and compact than its competitors. Overall, I love the compact and clean aesthetics of Lenovo Y730 here. Now let's talk about the port selection in this laptop. There is only one USB 3.1 port on the right, whereas Type-C Thunderbolt 3 and a headset jack is on the left. Wait, where are the other ports then? Well, it's actually on the back side, which has a power connector, 2 more USB port, RJ45, HDMI and a mini display port. Overall, the port selection in this laptop is pretty good, but note that the majority of the ports are on the back side. Now let's have a look at the specification of the laptop. Well, the 15.6 inches Lenovo Y730 we have here has Intel i7-8750H CPU, Windows 10 Home operating system, GeForce GTX 1050 Ti GPU with 4GB DDR5 memory, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 128GB of SSD, and 1TB of SSD. Talking about display, we have 15.6 inches 1920 by 1080p Full HD IPS display. It is a fantastic display with accurate colors. It is a 60Hz panel with brightness of 300 nits and 98% sRGB, which is impressive. Overall, I am very impressed with the display quality here. It's really amazing. Bezel of the laptop is also very thin except in the bottom part, which houses the webcam. Yes, the webcam placement is as terrible as its quality. So good luck for video calling while typing. The 720p webcam here is absolutely terrible. Now to move into the internal part of the laptop, you need to unscrew 11 Phillips screws. It might be quite tricky, so a sharp edge is recommended. RAM, storage and wireless LAN are easily accessible and upgradable, so thumbs up for that, Lenovo. These two heat pipes and two fans does a great job cooling the system, and these two fans are very quiet for a gaming laptop. Overall, the thermals and the heat management system in this laptop is very good. Now the major highlight of the laptop had to be that keyboard. The RGB lighting in this keyboard is one of the best out there. All the colors of the keys can be controlled using the software called IQ. You can choose the default lightnings or you can add your own touch. That's entirely up to you. The key travel is only about 1.4mm, so it might feel a bit shallow at first, but you will get used to it very quickly. So overall, the keyboard in Legion Y730 is good. Talking about the trackpad, it's using Windows Precision driver, so the gestures are accurate and the buttons are clicky. Now I'd love to have GTX 1060 in here for the price, but we have 1050 Ti, which surprisingly did great job at gaming. Gaming in this laptop was a very good experience. We tested some of the games and here are the results. The Dolby Atmos speaker system in this laptop produced a decent enough sound. It is definitely the improvement over the past iteration of this series. Now let's talk about the battery in this laptop. Everything is not rainbow and sunshine here. The battery life of Lenovo Legion Y730 is not that great. 57 Wh 3-cell battery is not good enough even for the gaming laptop. Plus, it has some powerful internals which requires more power. Some of the battery test results are here. Lastly, we bought this laptop at 1,50,000 in Nepal. In conclusion, this is a great laptop. You got great design, awesome RGB lights, powerful CPU, good display and nice cooling system. However, the battery life and webcam is poor here. So if you can get past this, then this laptop is for you. This was our full review on Lenovo Legion Y730. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye everyone.